guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ma.
And I'm Martine.
Today we're talking about Scouts building doghouse set. This toy is for kids 2 and up. This toy, the Build and Discover tool set, has bright colors, so it's good for toddlers. So the on switch is over here, and press on the door if you want to talk to Scout. The orange hammer is for hammering these orange nails. And the blue screwdriver is for these triangular ones. These triangular bolts. So, tighty righty, lefty loosey.
You can learn how to count, and you could learn to build things.
So you can take this apart too, so. So you can take the green bar apart too. It comes with 5 tools. This is a hammer. This is a screwdriver. This is a wrench. This is a saw. And this is a ruler. You measure it. You measure the top and the holes that the saw. Okay. This looks like a great toy, but can it handle our tough tests? Drop test.
Did it fast?
Build it.
Did it fast?
Yep. Crash test. Crash test. Chute test. There are no small parts, so toddlers are safe. Oh, water test. These toys are plastic, so you can take them to the bathtub. However, this toy has batteries, so no water for this one. So here you have it, Scouts Build and Discover tool set. To see more toy reviews, subscribe to our channel.
It's a big red button.
Until next time, bye!